Building your lemonade stand affiliate marketing made easy. Imagine a sunny afternoon. The sun is shining brightly, and there's a gentle breeze in the air. You can hear the laughter of children playing in the distance. It's the perfect day to set up a lemonade stand. You're a kid with a big dream, selling the best lemonade on the block. You gather all your supplies, lemons, sugar, water, and a sturdy table. You make a colorful sign that reads, "Best Lemonade in Town," and set up your stand in a prime location where everyone can see it. Affiliate marketing is just like that. It's about setting up your own virtual lemonade stand. Instead of selling lemonade, you're promoting products or services from other companies. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's about connecting people with products they'll love and earning a commission for each sale. Imagine being able to recommend the best lemonade to your friends and family and getting paid for it. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. You become the friendly neighborhood expert, guiding thirsty customers to the perfect refreshing drink. Your role is to provide valuable information and recommendations, helping people make informed decisions about what to buy. Think of your website or platform as your lemonade stand. It's your space on the internet where you can showcase the products you love and believe in. Just like you would decorate your lemonade stand to attract customers, you need to design your website to be inviting and user-friendly. You need to stock it with great products, choosing the right affiliate program. This means selecting products that you genuinely believe in and that you think your audience will love. It's important to do your research and choose affiliate programs that offer good commissions and have a solid reputation. Then, you need to let everyone know you're open for business. This involves promoting your website and the products you're recommending. You can use social media, email marketing, and other online marketing strategies to spread the word and attract visitors to your site. This is where the magic of marketing comes in. You need to create a marketing plan that outlines your strategies for attracting and engaging your audience. This might include creating valuable content, running promotions, and using paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Just like a real lemonade stand needs a great location and eye-catching signs, your online presence needs to be visible and appealing to attract customers. This means optimizing your website for search engines, using attractive graphics, and creating compelling content that draws people in and encourages them to make a purchase. Monitoring your progress is crucial. Just like you would keep track of how many cups of lemonade you sell, you need to analyze your website traffic and sales data. This helps you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Each sale is a step towards achieving your goals. And remember, the more effort you put into your affiliate marketing business, the more rewards you'll reap. Building relationships is key. Network with other affiliate marketers, collaborate with influencers, and engage with your audience. These connections can help you grow your business and reach new heights. Never stop learning. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest trends and strategies is essential. Attend webinars, read books, and take courses to keep your skills sharp and your knowledge current. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve great success in affiliate marketing. It's a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine the freedom and flexibility that comes with running a successful affiliate marketing business. You can work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's a dream come true for many entrepreneurs, and once you've achieved success, you can give back by mentoring others and sharing your knowledge. Helping others succeed can be incredibly rewarding and can create a positive ripple effect in the affiliate marketing community. Reflect on your journey and set new goals for the future. Affiliate marketing is a continuous journey of growth and improvement. Keep pushing yourself to reach new heights and achieve your dreams. So, raise a glass to your success and the exciting journey ahead. Affiliate marketing made easy is not just a slogan, it's a reality that you can achieve with the right mindset and dedication. Cheers to your future success. The signpost strategy using SEO to attract customers. Imagine you have a small business like a lemonade stand. You know your lemonade is the best in town, but how do you get people to find out about it? This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes into play. Now imagine your lemonade stand tucked away on a quiet street. It's a great spot, but there's hardly any foot traffic. No matter how delicious your lemonade is, people won't find it unless they know where to look. No matter how delicious your lemonade is, people won't find it. This is a common problem for many small businesses. They have a great product or service, but they struggle to attract customers because they aren't visible. SEO, or search engine optimization, is like putting up signposts all over town. These signposts guide people to your business. When you optimize your website for search engines, you're essentially putting up digital signposts that help people find you online. When people search for best lemonade online, you want your website to be the first thing they see. This is where SEO comes in. By optimizing your website, you increase the chances of appearing at the top of search engine results. SEO helps you do just that. It helps you attract more visitors to your website, which can lead to more customers and increase sales. But how exactly does SEO work? By using the right keywords like lemonade, refreshing drinks, or even summer thirst quenchers throughout your website content, you're telling search engines like Google what you offer. Keywords are the terms that people type into search engines when they're looking for something, or even summer thirst quenchers. These keywords help search engines understand what your website is about. When someone searches for these terms, your website has a better chance of appearing in the search results. Throughout your website content, you're telling search engines like Google what you offer, but keywords are just one part of SEO. There are many other factors that search engines consider when ranking websites. For example, the quality of your content is crucial. Search engines favor websites that provide valuable, relevant information to users. This means that your website should have well-written, informative content that answers the questions your potential customers might have. Regularly updating your website with fresh content can also improve your SEO. This shows search engines that your website is active and up-to-date, which can help boost your rankings. Additionally, having other websites linked to your content can improve your SEO. These backlinks act as endorsements, signaling to search engines that your website is trustworthy and authoritative. It's also important to ensure that your website is mobile-friendly. With more people using smartphones to browse the internet, search engines prioritize websites that provide a good mobile experience. Website speed is another critical factor. Slow-loading websites can frustrate users and lead to higher bounce rates, which can negatively impact your SEO. Make sure your website loads quickly to keep visitors engaged. By focusing on these aspects of SEO, you can improve your website's visibility and attract more customers. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process. It requires regular monitoring and adjustments to stay ahead of the competition. So start optimizing your website today and watch your business grow. With the right SEO strategy, your lemonade stand can become the talk of the town. Supercharge your stand with PPC lemonade ads. Sometimes you want to make a big splash and attract customers quickly. Imagine setting up your lemonade stand on a sunny day, but instead of waiting for people to walk by, you have a way to draw them in instantly. That's the magic of PPC advertising. PPC, or pay-per-click advertising, is a method where you pay a fee each time one of your ads is clicked. It's like having a digital billboard that only charges you when someone shows interest. This can be incredibly effective for small businesses looking to make a big impact without breaking the bank. Think of it as putting up flyers on every telephone pole in your neighborhood, but instead of just hoping someone sees them, you know exactly when someone does. You can announce a limited-time discount on your lemonade and track how many people are interested. PPC ads appear at the top of search results or on social media feeds, grabbing people's attention right when they're looking for something similar. Imagine your lemonade stand ad popping up just as someone searches for a refreshing drink on a hot day. You choose specific keywords related to your products like fresh lemonade, summer drinks, or cool refreshments. These keywords help your ad appear in front of the right audience, those who are already interested in what you have to offer. And the best part? You only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad. This means you're not wasting money on people who aren't interested. Every click is a potential customer, someone who is genuinely interested in your lemonade. It's a powerful way to drive targeted traffic to your lemonade stand, especially when you're just starting out. By using PPC ads, you can reach a larger audience quickly and efficiently. This can be a game changer for new businesses trying to establish themselves in a competitive market. Monitoring the performance of your PPC campaign is crucial. You can see which ads are performing well and which ones need tweaking. This allows you to optimize your strategy and get the most out of your advertising budget. Imagine seeing a steady increase in traffic to your stand, all thanks to your well-placed ads. So, if you're looking to supercharge your lemonade stand and attract more customers, consider giving PPC advertising a try. It's a cost-effective way to get your message out there and see real results. With the right strategy, you can turn your small stand into a bustling hub of activity. Start by designing an eye-catching ad that highlights what makes your lemonade special. Use vibrant images and compelling text to draw people in. Then brainstorm a list of keywords that potential customers might use when searching for a refreshing drink. Launch your PPC campaign and keep an eye on the performance metrics. Adjust your ad settings as needed to improve results. With a bit of effort and creativity, you can create a successful PPC campaign that drives traffic and boosts sales. In no time, you'll see more happy customers at your stand, enjoying your delicious lemonade. PPC advertising can be the key to turning your small business into a thriving success. So, get started today and watch your lemonade stand flourish. Spread the word on social media. Get everyone talking. Remember the power of word of mouth? In the digital age, social media is your megaphone, amplifying your message to a wider audience. Imagine happy customers sharing pictures of themselves enjoying your lemonade on Instagram or Facebook, raving about its deliciousness. That's the magic of social media marketing. By creating engaging content, running contests, and interacting with your followers, you can build a community around your brand. Encourage people to share their lemonade experiences and watch your reach expand organically. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more content.